What is forced arbitration in loan agreements? Have you ever wondered what happens when you take out a loan and a disagreement arises with your lender? One key aspect to understand is forced arbitration in loan agreements. This term refers to a specific clause in your loan contract. It requires that any disputes between you and your lender be resolved through arbitration instead of going to court. So what does this mean for you? If you find yourself in a disagreement with your lender, you cannot simply file a lawsuit. Instead, you must go through arbitration. This process involves a neutral third party, known as an arbitrator, who hears both sides and makes a decision. Typically, this decision is binding, meaning both parties must accept it. Now, let's consider how this plays into bankruptcy. When someone files for bankruptcy, they often want to dispute certain debts. However, if your loan agreement has an arbitration clause, you may be required to resolve those disputes through arbitration rather than in bankruptcy court. This can limit your options and affect how your debts are handled during the bankruptcy process. For example, if you dispute the validity of a loan while in bankruptcy, you might need to arbitrate that issue separately. This could complicate your bankruptcy proceedings. It might also impact how your debts are resolved. If an arbitrator rules against you, it could affect your ability to discharge debts or reorganize your financial obligations. It is essential for borrowers to be aware of these arbitration clauses when entering into loan agreements. Understanding these clauses can be especially important if you anticipate potential disputes or bankruptcy in the future. In the context of mortgage foreclosure, forced arbitration can also come into play. If you are facing foreclosure, the arbitration clause may requiring you to resolve disputes related to your mortgage through arbitration. This could limit your ability to challenge the foreclosure in a public forum, like a court. In summary, forced arbitration in loan agreements can significantly impact how disputes are handled, especially in situations involving bankruptcy or mortgage foreclosure. Being informed about these clauses can help you navigate your financial situation more effectively. Always read your loan agreements carefully and consider seeking legal advice if you have concerns about arbitration clauses.